Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to introduce a historic line of shaving brushes we're very proud to once again carry in our store. We actually used to carry the Semogue brushes years ago, and I don't even know why we stopped carrying them, but we are picking them up once again, excited to have them. Now Semogue is a company based out of Portugal. It's been in business since 1955, and they specialize in making high quality shaving brushes, mostly featuring boar and badger hair. And I think the boar hair is definitely one of their more kind of popular options. And if you look at any of these brushes, they're just beautiful. They're kind of old world looking, from the colors to the shapes to the typeface and the kind of just the overall branding of them. They're just beautiful. They feature materials like wood and acrylic, lucite, and just, to me, I always see them in shave of the day photos, and I have always loved the look of these, especially these clear lucite ones like this with the red or with the black on the top half of it. So cool, so traditional. And again, they have different sizes of loft. You know how big the knot diameter is here. They also have different hairs. Like I said, they have badger and they have boar, different grades of badger. Boar usually is all the same grade, but it's either just natural bleached or there's the two-band kind of look like this. But whatever one you choose, I think you'll find it to be a high-quality brush, something that should last a lifetime if you take care of it, and something that's going to add a little style and a little flair to your den. So that is Semogue. Again, we're really excited to have them at Razor Emporium once again, and check them out on our website. So if you have a Semogue brush, let me know in the comments below. How do you like it? Does it perform well? If you've been thinking about one, which one? We have a lot of them. Let me know in the comments. And if you do leave a comment, you are entered in to win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. Thanks for being here, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, share it, click that bell to notify you every time we come out with a new video, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.